Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to replant Hoya orchid. You can see I take the one plants, I cut away. You can see, you can check halfway, you can cut between two leaves. You can cut center. You can check the way I cut. This is the Hoya orchid. You can grow with the many way. You can grow with the charcoal. You can grow with the moss. Cut here. It depends how long you want to keep your plants. If you want to grow faster, so you get some plants are twist the one to another, so you can remove, then you can repot, you can cut. So I cut few plants. You can see the Hoya. This haven't bloom yet. So this is the way I planted. So now I'm going to remove the plants, then I'll show you. You can see the way the root growing inside the moss. You can see all the root are very nicely growing, and plant also. This orchid I just planted few days ago, I think 1 month plus. I think I already uploaded this video in my YouTube channel. You can check on there. So now it's growing very well. You can see the plants are growing well. I just also the same way I cut, and I will replant today. Another 2 months you can get your plant like that. So now I'm going to show you how to potting Hoya orchid. You can get this one plants. You can make it smaller, because if your pot is small, you can get the moss, insert the moss, and you cover it. Then you get the pot, then put into the pot. Just press harder, please press hard. It's done. So I will show you a few plants that I cut just now, so it will helps you to grow your orchid. You can see I'm using the moss. You get much more moss, and moss should be wet. And when you start growing this Hoya orchid, don't give them direct sunlight. The Hoya like to grow with the brighter place, but when you just plant it, then you don't give them too much sunlight. You must keep some shady place. And this Hoya, after you planted 1 month, you have to continue water the plants every day. After 1 month, even you miss 1 time, 2 time, doesn't matter. After 1 month, you can water the plants like every alternate day or twice a week, because it's the moss. Moss are very good for all the stack the water. Always moss easily can absorb the water, so you can grow your orchid also. You can see the way I planting. You can plant your Hoya also. If you want to grow with the Hoya professionally, this is the best way to grow Hoya. Is the faster way to grow your Hoya. You can see the way I planting. So you can use the charcoal also. But charcoal, if you using this moss, after that after few days later, when these plants are growing well, then I will change to the bigger pot. I remove the plastic pot, then I get the clay pot, then I put the plant, and around the plants I will put some charcoal, because charcoal also very good for growing orchid. So that way also I will upload a video how to repot with the charcoal, how to care Hoya orchid. You can actually, I already uploaded few videos on my YouTube channel. You can go and check my playlist, and you can check on their repotting. You can check there are many tutorial video on there, so it will helps you to grow your orchid nicely. I always show you that is an easy way to grow orchid. I never grow orchid like very typical one. You can grow easily, that I'm showing you. It's a very simple. You get the moss, just cover the plant, then put into the pot. That's all. Then you have to water every day, and then you keep them a brighter place. So now you can see, right, make it smaller. Hopefully you can grow any kind of Hoya. You can grow this way. And thank you so much for clicking my videos. Actually, I'm not professional YouTuber, but I'm professional gardener. So please subscribe my channel for more tutorial, so you will know about the orchid. So I just planted few plants. You can see. This is my previous plant that I planted. So see you again in the next video. Thank you so much.